Hello everyone, welcome to Matplotlib. So today's session will be moving towards to the concept of your Pylab as well. So in a previous day we learned that how we have to use this Pylab. So today we'll be moving towards to do that some symbolic representation. Like in a previous day if you observe it, we are just going with the walking with the things with the normal line. We are not going with any different things, we just go ahead with the things the normal basics line. So now we are moving to the things where we are using some symbolic like dash, dots, you have v, d, 1 2 3 4. So we can use that to see that how to use it, as well as the colors. Like if you want a blue, by default it's blue, but suppose you want to go with red colors, yellow colors, you can use it. So let's move to start on to use that. So first we have to take the libraries. So going with from numpy, from numpy import star, and then from Pylab import star. So we just run this. After this we are going to take the x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis equals to linspace, because from the linspace we are using it, and then going with the values. So I'm just going with -2, 2, 20, and then I'm just going with the y-axis where x power of 3, and then just plot it. I'm just going with the normal plot first without going anything, plots, and then show. So here by default it will be going with the normal plots, right? So wait a minute, you can observe like whatever the values I'm giving, because it's 3, it will be distancing in the 3, it shows that. Now I don't want this to be first, I just want to change the color. So where you are plotting here only, with the help of single quotes you have to change the color. So now I just need it in a yellow color, so I'll go with yellow. Hold on, you can observe it's moved to the yellow color. So here what happened, I do already we are taking yellow, take as the full values, we are moving towards to the down. Here yellow is already we are working, so I'm just going with the green color G, and not only the green, now onwards I don't want that fully line versus I needed double dots or 3 dots. That your wish how dots will be. Suppose 1 dots I needed, so I'm just going with first dot. So now when it's run, you can observe it's going with the dots. So my graph or my plots will be comes to the dots and a green dots. Let's move to see 2-3 more example for the lens space. I'm taking the same values, the changes only in here. So now we are moving to the red color, that for symbolic format, that is R, and now I want to give the dash. So you can go with dash like this, you can run this as well. So when you run, it will be one single dash. So when you run, wait for a while, it will be giving the same line, because this is the by default and this is a single line also, it will be going with that particular area. But now I want it, the things will be the another way. So here only where we use it, go down here. Suppose I don't want this dash, I go with this. So it just wait, you can observe it's given this lines. So we have variety of things to use at the symbols. Those symbols are like, just you can go with the basic symbol, that is dash, then we have this, and then you can go with dots as well. If you want to go with the dots, you can go with dots, then we can go with 1 2 3 4 as well. So let's see that example one as well. So take as the same thing, I'm just taking the same thing, and we have color as well. So let's move to the different color. So now we are working with green already done, blue by default, let's come okay, just move to the different go with green. So green, then we are going with 1 G1. So you can observe this is a one way, like if you use one, this is like the plot will be, because those are predefined. Okay, so this is how we are using for this greens color. So till now we are just using the single. Let's move to see the doubles. So we are going with from Pylab. Okay, we already imported, it's not needed, so just going with the plots. We already have x and y, so going with x plot only. Now here we use sine cos, the sine of x. We are just going with sine of x, the first one, sine of x, and then we are going with the plot of sine of x. Means we are not giving any colors here. If you want to give colors, so I'll just go with the colors only, comma, I need here red color. I'm not giving anything here, just basics one. Then I'm going with x comma cos. For the another one, x cos x, here I'm just going with a different color, that is yellow. I'm going with yellow and dot as well. Next I'm going with the plot. I'm going with here x, it will be your cos, and then I'm just going with one more, x comma minus sine in sine. Then I'm just going with the x values, so going with x. Now already yellow and red is done, so we are going with the green and the one dash. I just want to go with the dashes, and that's your wish. If you want to go with the different things, you can go with that. And just going with to show this. Now with show time, we are going with show, and when you run, just to wait a while, you can observe like these things are happening, like it's nothing I'm giving here, I'm giving the thing. So I'm just changing with one to see the different things. So this is how you can do the plotting in a different areas. So that's fully your wish to whenever you used it. Suppose this is for three things, you can go with one more as well. Like we can go with plot, and then you can go with x comma minus cos, and then moving to x, and already red, green, yellow it's done. Just go with blue, so you can go with blue, and then already dots, I'll go with two. So another different one, you can hold it one, you can get a four lines. You can observe here there is a four things. So this is how we are using our mostly used Pylab modules in this. So this is how you have to use in a different way, how you wanted to create it, how we wanted to use it. So thank you guys.